With summer just around the corner, you know what time it is. It's time to mix fruit and alcohol. My name is Johnny, this is Simple Drinks, welcome to my channel. Today we're making a passion fruit martini. It's really easy to make, just a few ingredients. It will be your perfect summer sipper, so stick around till the end and let me show you how to do it. Without further ado, let's make a passion fruit martini. First we have to cut our passion fruit in half. And we are going to scoop the flesh out into our shaker. Use a spoon, of course. See all that beautiful, beautiful, exotic flesh. We need one whole passion fruit. These are really ripe, beautiful. Now, we need just a splash of simple syrup, just a little bit. And we're going to give it just a quick muddle, just a little bit. Now, we need vodka, 60 ml, 2 ounces. Half an ounce of orange liqueur, you can use triple sec or Cointreau or whatever you got at hand. So 15 ml, half an ounce, and quarter of an ounce, 7.5 ml of lemon juice. Now we need ice. And we're going to shake the cocktail for 10 to 12 seconds. Beautiful. Now we need a chill glass. Discard the ice. And we're going to double strain our cocktail into our chill glass. Garnish with 1/2 of passion fruit. Just drop it in. And that's it, ladies and gents. Passion fruit martini. Cheers. Nice, exotic, fruity. You can taste passion fruit, you can taste orange liqueur. You can taste vodka, which is good, of course, but it can be deceitful. So be careful with this one. On a hot summer day, you can drink more than one, trust me. That's it, ladies and gents. We made a passion fruit martini. Real easy to make, fruity, tasty, simple. Try to make it. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Thank you very much for your support. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. It means a lot. It helps the channel. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.